Today let's paint the secondary unit, Kalani from Star Wars Shatterpoint. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching and putting up with me. Alright, today we're painting Kalani from Star Wars Shatterpoint, who's primed in a matte white primer. And we're going to keep this a very simple, short video. What we're going to do is we're going to cut through it, and I'm just going to tell you the colors I'm using to paint it. Starting off with some Gravelord Gray on all the little nooks and crannies of this droid. Then we're using a little bit of Caribbean Ocean on that hologram that he's holding. It looks like of a city, I'm assuming. Don't know which city it is, but yeah, that's what he's doing. Then we're going to be using some Gunner Camo on pretty much the rest of this miniature. He's got a nice green armor to him, or not armor, but like green coloring to his robotic self. And yeah, so pretty much slap that on everywhere. A little bit of dry brushing of Gorgon hide on that hologram. Some pure red in the eyes, very hard to get into, and if you make a little mistake and get around the eyes, it's not a big deal. You can just come back with the greedy gold, which is what I'm doing now, doing all the little ornamentations, doing around the eyes as well, to hit anywhere where I hit that red and all that. He's got a few spots on him, so this one I'm just keeping here. I'm not speed throughing this one, but anyways. And then the final color we're putting on is well, it's not a color, it's a gloss varnish on that thing to make it shiny. And there you have it, folks. Kalani from Star Wars Shatterpoint, also in the core box. I want to thank you guys for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you all in the next one. And may the paint be with you.